After you've visited the selected departments to perform a periodic count of asset stock using the ACCURA smartphone app, this information will collate into a report on the ACCURA website. You can then view this information by clicking on the Stock Count tab within the Quick Links bar. There is a drop-down arrow which can be used to view additional information on how the count stock works. So begin by selecting the location matching the one that you've counted the stock on using your mobile device. The assets in stock time is the time in which you want to look at the assets in the system. For example, the stock count you performed may have been a couple of days ago, so the number of cylinders within that certain area may have now changed. This function will allow you to look at what the stock was at the time in which the count stop was performed. The available stock takes time is the window in which you completed the stock take. So you may have started it on the 3rd of February and completed it on the 3rd of February between 9 o'clock in the morning and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Leaving this field blank will show the information for all stock counts. So if you completed more than one, both will show. Once you've populated the information into these fields, press search. All the cylinders listed for this location will then be displayed. So looking at the oxygen E, the report is showing that we expected to find 3 cylinders. We actually found 4 in total. So here there's a difference of 1, as we found 1 more than expected. And one of these acids was an unexpected acid found. If we look at the oxygen CD, 3 cylinders are listed as unexpected. So this is a cylinder that's found in a specific location that has never been scanned to that location. So it's been physically moved to the department by an individual, but was never scanned and allocated it until the stock take was performed and completed. You can use the drop-down arrow to review all the serial numbers in this report. So we can see here for the oxygen CD, the first one was expected to be found, and we actually found it. The second one wasn't expected to be found, but we actually found it. All this information is really useful to allow you to manage your cylinder stocks more effectively.